Welcome to Viva Skincare. Thank you for purchasing our items. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly apply each of them. First, you're going to apply your Pipa headband to make sure you get your hair out of the way. The first step of your skincare is to use your squeaky clean. With this product, you're going to cleanse your face. You're going to open it and pump as many times as needed and spread evenly throughout your whole face. When you're done, you're going to cleanse it out. The next step to our skincare is the Glow Go